guys, it's me again, Mama, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this lettuce crop top Nadine Lustre inspired. So first thing I did is I fold the fabric into 4 so that it will be easy for me to cut out the pieces. So I have here my old sando that I traced as my pattern. I folded it in half so that after cutting it will be symmetrical. I didn't add seam allowance because the fabric is very stretchable. So now I'm trimming the neck part of the front piece. When all the pieces are ready, you can now start hemming the armhole side. Just fold it into 2 and then sew it into straight stitch. Next is the neck part and the bottom part, which will have the lettuce style. Just fold it also into 2 and then sew it with a zigzag stitch. Do the same thing on the bottom part. Don't forget to use the zigzag stitch to achieve the lettuce style. For the shoulder and the side part, you can use the Valencian or the French stitch, which you will sew straight stitch twice, or you can just sew it once. It's up to you, but I prefer using the Valencian or the French stitch because it hides the raw edges. This is what I love about the Valencian or the French stitch. Though it took a lot of time, but at least it's clean and neat and the raw edges are hidden. Just sew it straight, fabrics facing wrong sides together first, and then flip it inside out, and then sew it again, fabrics facing right sides together, and then flip it inside out, and you're done. If you wanna buy my works or if you have some requests, you can DM me on my Facebook page and my Instagram account, or you can visit my Shopee account for more updates. I've already posted there some of my works, and I will be posting more soon. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!